But essentially what we're doing here is part of my research where we're explicitly combining social emotional learning with the robotics. So in this particular case, we're talking about what is triggering or activating a behavior or a thought process within a student. So for example, they're bothered by being criticized or being rejected or having disagreements with a friend or a parent. And we're tying that to the robot then, it's this little ball, where in this particular activity, this is the first one that they go through, the ball actually runs into the wall, and when it collides with the wall, it does a random sound and spins and lights up different colors. And the idea is we're tying when it hits the wall, it's being triggered the same way a person would be triggered by a certain event happening. So we're just explicitly combining these two things so that we can use the robot as an analog for our particular feelings, so that the students can see that basically what we go through is a set of programs and it's the same as the robot. So if we can change or alter how we think when something happens or how we behave, it's the same as when we alter it in the robot, and trying to get them to see those two things as the same. And then they work through a series. The ultimate goal is a 15-week program where they're doing this explicitly. So this is not something I would necessarily recommend directly in a classroom without having the backing that we do. This is developed in partnership with counselors, and it's a very explicit activity that is not a normal classroom behavior.